Hi, good day. This is Kent Lao Ji Yong. Today I would like to show you what is append, right? At a simple form is that you take a source of a certain data, right, and then append to another certain data, and they will have the same columns of data, right? And only things that there are different rows, different number of rows, but their structures are exactly the same. So let's look at a real example, right? So look at this, right? The first column is transaction date, category one, and so on, customer ID, quantities, and so on. And go to here, right? It's the same quantities, sales, products, sales manager's ID, right? And product ID 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? All represent the same, but the number of rows may not be the same. Now this is 25,000, right? And this could be less. Now as you can see that is the difference, right? So now, how do we do the append, right? Well, you can do so by maybe I'll say that, right? You can copy this thing and come over here and you paste it here. That's just append, right? And then you can just delete this. That's called append, okay? But um, this may be simple, right? But if you have talking about 100,000 rows, or and you keep repeating it, right? Then the data is keep changing, right? Over days, right? Then you might want to use Power Query. Then let's look at how to that. First, as usual, we can turn this into a Power Excel table. So go to the Excel table, right? Turn this into table, right? And that is called the sales 216. And do the same for this. This already have a table, right? So we can just change to sales 217 and go to data from table. We're turning this into a query in the Power Query. Okay, so we're done this, right? Next, we go to load this into a connections. As we already have a table, we don't need to load into a table. We do the same for sales 2016, right? Let's go to data from table. Yes, we load it to a table as well. But if we want to start appending 2016 data to here, right, it is possible, right? So what we just need to do is that select 2017, head to append queries, choose append query as new. So we don't want to change anything in 2017, but rather we want to have a new query. Just merging 2017. Right, the primary table is this. We can also change that to this or this, right? You can also have more than that, true as well. So let's just learn something easier. So 2, 3, right? And then 2016, 2017, right? Merging into 2017. So this is a primary, right? Table append to a primary. Oh, so this one merged into that. So click OK. And click on the look more, right? You should take a look at their data around here, right? That's a lot. So it's still loading actually. Anyway, right, the data is already loaded, right? Let's just we're gonna show you here, right? This is a lot, right? It's really a lot of data. It's 2016, and one way we can do that is load it into a table. So this is the new query, right? So I go to new to load. Yes, this will automatically load into a new table. It will take a while to load this. Really about. Alright, 25,000 plus 7,000 over is about 33,000 then. And the way we have 33,000 is because that we really have data from, oh, let's take a look here, right? It should include, ah, it seems that there's a mistake here, right? It doesn't load completely. Is it a date column? Yeah, it's a date column. But it doesn't work in this case, right? But the steps are almost are about the same, right? So there is an error here, right? So, but the steps are correct, right? So thanks for watching. We're gonna figure out that.